Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfast options around the world. But are you sure you're eating it the right way? Many people unknowingly make small mistakes that strip oatmeal of its benefits, or even harm their health. In this video, Healthy Front breaks down the most common oatmeal mistakes, how they impact your body, and what you should do instead. But first, let's quickly explore what makes oatmeal so powerful. 1. Great for heart health. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a special type of fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol and supports healthy blood circulation. It keeps arteries flexible and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beyond that, beta-glucan slows down the digestion of fat, which can also help balance cholesterol levels. Some studies suggest regular oatmeal consumption may decrease systolic blood pressure due to its anti-inflammatory effects on blood vessels. Plus, oats are naturally low in sodium, which also supports heart health by keeping blood pressure in check. If you're dealing with family history of cardiovascular problems, incorporating oatmeal 4 to 5 times a week can be a proactive step in maintaining heart health. A heart-smart breakfast doesn't have to be bland. Oatmeal, paired with heart-friendly toppings like flax seeds or almonds, can be both nourishing and flavorful. 2. Packed with soluble fiber. The beta-glucan in oats forms a gel-like texture in the gut, slowing digestion. This helps control blood sugar and feeds good gut bacteria, which is crucial for a balanced microbiome. Fiber also plays a role in reducing hunger by delaying stomach emptying, making it easier to manage portions throughout the day. Soluble fiber is especially beneficial for those managing metabolic disorders or trying to lose weight in a controlled and sustainable way. The gel also traps bile acids and cholesterol molecules, helping flush them out of the body. 3. Nutrient-dense. Oatmeal delivers magnesium, iron, B vitamins, and zinc, all with low calories. It's a perfect blend for starting your day strong without overloading on energy. It also includes antioxidants, manganese, phosphorus, and small amounts of calcium and potassium, vital minerals that work together to support bone health, muscle function, and even hormone production. These micronutrients also play a key role in mood regulation, energy conversion, and stress reduction. What makes oatmeal even more impressive is its balance of macronutrients. Even though it's carbohydrate-rich, the presence of protein and fiber helps your body absorb it more slowly, preventing sugar crashes. 4. Supports digestion. Oats act as a prebiotic, promoting healthy digestion and regularity. They ease constipation and reduce bloating by adding bulk and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. The fiber acts like a broom in the intestines, helping sweep out waste efficiently. For those who struggle with digestive sluggishness or IBS, oatmeal can be a gentle daily cleanser that keeps the system moving without harsh stimulants. Furthermore, oats can ease acid reflux symptoms by absorbing stomach acid and reducing irritation in the esophagus. For those with sensitive stomachs, oatmeal is often recommended as a neutral and non-irritating food. 5. Helps with weight control. Because it digests slowly, oatmeal keeps you full longer and reduces the urge to snack. With its low glycemic index, it helps maintain steady energy levels. Many fitness enthusiasts rely on oats as part of a weight loss or muscle maintenance plan. Its slow digesting nature helps prevent post-meal crashes that often lead to unhealthy cravings. When combined with exercise, oatmeal supports better insulin sensitivity and metabolic stability. You can further enhance its weight control benefits by adding ingredients like chia seeds or whey protein. These create a nutrient-dense bowl that fuels your body while keeping you full. 6. Balances blood sugar. Oatmeal slows down how fast glucose enters the bloodstream. It also supports insulin sensitivity, especially helpful for diabetics or those watching blood sugar swings. Pairing oatmeal with cinnamon, a natural insulin sensitizer, or adding chia seeds, which further slow carb absorption, can amplify its blood sugar benefits. This makes oatmeal an excellent breakfast choice for those managing prediabetes or PCOS. Diabetic patients can benefit from choosing steel-cut oats, which have a lower glycemic index compared to instant versions. Preparing oatmeal with high-protein options like almond butter also adds to blood sugar stability. 7. May lower asthma risk in kids. Introducing oats early may strengthen the immune system and help reduce airway inflammation in children, possibly lowering asthma risk. Its anti-inflammatory properties also benefit adults with respiratory issues like seasonal allergies or mild bronchial conditions. Oatmeal's nutrient profile supports better immune resilience and lung function by providing zinc and magnesium, both essential for respiratory muscle health. Recent research also shows oats may support lung tissue health by neutralizing oxidative stress, an added bonus for individuals exposed to environmental pollution or smokers seeking to support lung recovery. 8. Supports skin health. Oats contain anti-inflammatory compounds like avenanthramides. They soothe irritated skin externally and nourish it from the inside with antioxidants like zinc and B vitamins. Regular consumption can help those struggling with eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Oat-based masks or baths are often recommended for sensitive or inflamed skin conditions. Internally, the fiber in oats helps flush toxins, reducing inflammation that shows up on the skin's surface. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet can also slow skin aging. Its vitamin E content fights off environmental damage, and the hydration effect of fiber-rich meals keeps skin supple and youthful. 9. Rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and improve circulation by relaxing blood vessels. They also protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, including arthritis, Alzheimer's, and cancer. The antioxidants in oats, especially avenanthramides, are known to increase nitric oxide levels, relaxing arteries, and improving oxygen flow, especially during exercise or stress. Oatmeal's antioxidants also support cognitive health by protecting neurons from oxidative damage. Adding blueberries to your bowl can further amplify these brain-boosting effects. 10. Easy to prepare, highly versatile. From sweet to savory bowls, oatmeal works any time of day. Whether topped with berries or paired with eggs and veggies, it's quick to make and easy to customize. You can use oats in baked goods, smoothies, pancakes, or even as a breading alternative for chicken. It's also a great thickener for soups and stews. Its neutral flavor profile makes it suitable for all age groups, from toddlers to seniors. For athletes, oats can be used as a pre- or post-workout fuel source. Combine with banana and a dash of protein powder for a recovery bowl packed with nutrients. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Adding too much sugar. Sweeteners can turn oatmeal into a sugar bomb. Use fruits or cinnamon instead to keep it healthy and flavorful. Mistake number 2. Using flavored instant oats. Prepackaged oats often contain hidden sugars and additives. Stick to plain oats and add your own healthy toppings. Mistake number 3. Skipping protein. Oatmeal lacks protein on its own. Add nuts, seeds, or yogurt to stay full and energized longer. Mistake number 4. Oversized portions. Even healthy foods can cause weight gain if you overeat. Stick to about half a cup of dry oats per serving. Mistake number 5. Not soaking oats. Raw oats contain phytic acid, which blocks mineral absorption. Soaking them overnight helps digestion and boosts nutrient intake. Mistake number 6. Undercooking oats. Half-cooked oats can lead to digestive issues. Make sure they're soft and fully cooked for best nutrient absorption. Mistake number 7. Overcooking oats. Too much cooking can break oats down too far, making them mushy and less filling. Aim for soft but slightly chewy texture. Mistake number 8. Cooking with milk from the start. Cooking oats directly in milk can lead to a sticky texture. Cook them in water first, then stir in milk at the end. Mistake number 9. Forgetting a pinch of salt. Salt enhances oatmeal's natural flavor. Just a little at the start of cooking can make a big taste difference. Mistake number 10. Eating only oatmeal. While it's healthy, oatmeal alone can't meet all your nutritional needs. Balance your diet with proteins, healthy fats, and veggies. Oatmeal is more than just a breakfast. It's a daily powerhouse when eaten the right way. By avoiding these mistakes, you can get the full nutritional value it offers. It's not just about eating oats, it's about how you eat them. Preparation, pairing, and portion control are just as important as the oats themselves. Make oatmeal a part of your lifestyle, not just your diet. Whether your goal is heart health, better digestion, or more energy, it all starts with smart choices. Have you been making any of these mistakes? Share in the comments below and join the Healthy Front community for more science-backed wellness tips. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated. See you in the next episode of Healthy Front.